Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.6 question number 11. Right? First, if I am going to read the question, everyone you have a book, right? Exercise 2.6 question number 11. If S1, S2, S3 etc. up to Sm are the sum of n terms of MAPs whose first terms are 1, 2, 3 etc. whose common difference is 1, 3, 5 respectively, then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 etc. up to Sm equal to 1 by 2 mn into mn plus 1, right? The statement I'm going to say in mathematical expression, right? Solution. First, S1, what they said, S1 is the sum of, S1 is the sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP of an AP with, what is the first term they said, A equal to 1, common difference is also 1. Then the same way, S2 is the sum of n terms, sum of n terms of an AP. This is the first term, this is the second term, like that, right? AP with first term, that is A equal to what? 2 and common difference equal to 3. Like that, Sm, what it is given? Sm is the sum of etc. Right? Sum of n terms of an AP, n terms of an AP. The statement I am converting into the simplest form, children. You have to listen carefully, right? With, what is the first term of this? A equal to m and D is equal to 2m minus 1. What is the Sn formula? You know, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here the first one, that is one AP, the second one is another AP, the third one is another AP, right? So now for that, S1 equal to n sum of n terms. So n is as such 2 into, what is your A? 1. What is your D? That is also 1. Now, which is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. Right? This is the first term of your original AP. Right? Now, n by 2 into n plus 1. Next, S2 equal to, here also sum of n terms. So, the n is as such. The common difference and the first term only is given in the sequence, right? What is your A here? A is, what is your A? A is 2, right? Sorry. A is 2. What is your D? D is 3, which is equal to n by 2 into 4 plus 3n minus 3. Now, what is your format? N by 2 into 3n plus 1. Now, like that it will go on. Similarly, Sm equal to n by 2 into 2m plus n minus 1 into common difference is 2m minus 1, which is equal to n by 2 into 2m plus 2mn minus n minus 2m plus 1. What is children? Say yes or no. 2m cancel. You arrive n by 2 into 2mn minus n plus 1. Here your S1 is the first term, Sm is the last term. Right? Say yes or no. Now we are going to find the sum of the sequence. Right? To find S1 plus S2 plus etc. plus Sm. Right? Where S1 is the first term, where S1 is the first term. I told you, no, Sm is the last term. Where S1 is the first term, Sm is the last term. Sm is the last term. Now, what is your Sn original format? Sn equal to n by 2 into L plus A. Because you know the last term and you know the first term, you don't know the value of n, right? Then n by 2 into what is your L? Children, what is your L? Here, what they are asking, S1 plus S2 plus etc. up to Sm only, no? 1 minute, I am going to see that format, children. Sm. That means here also, what is your thing? Sn equal to, now, S1 plus S2 plus etc. plus Sm equal to m by 2. Here your n is m into what is your L? N by 2 into 2mn minus n plus 1 plus n by 2 into n plus 1. Got it, children? Now, because if it is Sn, the outside it will become n. If it is Sp, the outside this has P, right? Here it is Sm, so that it becomes m. Now you are going to multiply mn by 4 into 2mn mn by 4 into 2mn 2mn minus n plus 1 plus, better you have to take n by 2 is common, no? That is fine, right? N by 2 if you are taking as common, then what should be the rest? Plus n plus 1. Got it? This and this has cancelled. Mn into mn by 4 into 2mn plus 2. Then you have to take 2 as common. Mn by 4 into 2 bracket mn plus 1. Then cancel. Finally, what they are expecting that we prove, right? First, you should understand the question, then it is easy. Therefore, S1 plus S2 plus etc. plus Sm equal to mn by 2 into mn plus 1. Got it, children? The last sum of the exercise we are going to do. Find the sum of a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b plus 5a minus 3b by a plus b plus etc. up to 12 terms. Got it, children? First term, what is your thing in the given format? Question number 12. First term what it is? T1 equal to A minus B by A plus B. What is your T2? T2 equal to 3A minus 2B divided by A plus B. What is your T3? T3 equal to 5A minus 3B divided by A plus B. It is given to you, right? Solution, it is given. Now, find the common difference. T1 equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 3A minus 2B divided by A plus B minus A minus B divided by A plus B. One thing you have to listen, children, the denominators are same. So directly you are going to subtract your numerator. 3A minus 2B minus A plus B. Got it, children? What you arrive, you see? The common difference, that is D1, what you arrive? D1 equal to 3A minus A. What can you get? 3A minus A, 2A minus B divided by A plus B. First, we are checking the sequence whether it forms an AP or not. For that purpose, we are finding D1, right? Next, D2. What is D2? Third term minus second term. What is your third term? 5A minus 3B divided by A plus B minus 3A minus 2B divided by A plus B. Here also the same. The denominator is same. Directly we are going to subtract your numerator. Got it, children? A plus B, 5A minus 3B minus 3A plus 2B, which is equal to 2A minus B divided by A plus B. See, your D1 and D2 are same. So, what is your conclusion here? D1 equal to D2. Therefore, the sequence forms an AP with common difference. What? D is equal to 2A minus B divided by A plus B. Now it is easy to find out what is S12 because N is given as 12. Right? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Where you have to use this formula? Where you have to use another formula? If last term is given, you should adapt n by 2 into l plus a. If last term you don't know better, you should add this formula, adapt this formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S12 equal to 12 by 2 into what is your first term? A minus B by A plus B plus 12 minus 1, that is 11. 2A minus B by A plus B. Got it, children? Now, inside the bracket, the denominators are same. Right? 2, 6 are 6 into inside the bracket I said the denominator is same. 2a, use 2 and multiply. Use 11 and multiply. Got it? 2a minus 2b plus 22a minus 11b. Got it, children? Say yes or no? Which is equal to 6 into 24a minus 13b divided by A plus B divided by A plus B. Therefore, sum of 12 terms equal to, therefore, sum S12 equal to 6 by A plus B into 24A minus 13B. What is, children? Say yes or no? Yeah. Thank you, children. We will continue tomorrow.